The EPS warning light is your vehicle's way of alerting you to problems with the electric power steering system. Understanding what this light means and how to diagnose the issue can save you time and money. When you see warning lights on your dashboard like these, the EPS light indicates a malfunction in your power steering system. The color and pattern of this light tells you the severity of the problem. A solid yellow or amber EPS light means the system has detected a malfunction, but reduced steering assistance is still available. You can drive carefully, but should address the issue soon. A red EPS light signals a critical failure with no power assistance available. This means you'll need to use much more force to steer, especially at low speeds or when parking. A flashing EPS light indicates an intermittent fault or that the system is running diagnostics. This often occurs during startup or after repairs. The most common cause of EPS warning lights is electrical issues. Low battery voltage below 11.5 volts can trigger the warning, as can corroded connections or a failing alternator. Here's what corroded battery connections look like. This white, powdery buildup can prevent proper electrical flow to the EPS system, triggering the warning light. Sensor failures account for about 25% of EPS issues. The steering angle sensor and torque sensor are critical components that tell the system how much assistance to provide. Mechanical problems are less common, but can include motor issues or problems within the steering column itself. Modern vehicles use advanced diagnostics to pinpoint these issues more precisely than older systems. When the EPS warning light appears, start with basic diagnostics. Check your battery voltage first. It should read at least 12.4 volts with the engine off and 13.5 to 14.5 volts when running. Understanding these warning light meanings and common causes gives you the foundation to properly diagnose EPS issues. In the next section, we'll cover the specific reset and repair procedures to get your power steering working again. There are three main methods to reset your EPS system. These basic procedures can resolve 65% of EPS warning light issues without professional help. Method 1 is the battery disconnect reset. This involves disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes to clear the system memory. After reconnecting, start the engine and turn the steering wheel from lock to lock 3 times slowly, then drive at low speed for 5 minutes. Method 2 is the ignition cycle reset. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Turn the steering wheel fully left and hold for 2 seconds, then fully right and hold for 2 seconds. Return to center, turn ignition off, wait 10 seconds, then start the engine. Method 3 uses a scan tool for more advanced reset procedures. Connect an OBD2 scanner, navigate to the EPS system, clear fault codes, and perform steering angle sensor calibration. This method is most effective for persistent issues. If these reset methods don't resolve the warning light, professional diagnosis is needed. 35% of EPS issues require component replacement or advanced repair. Remember, improper calibration can lead to dangerous steering instability, so seek professional help when basic resets fail.